Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this SEO marketing platform. So to get started with the breakdown and the analysis about Raven. So to get started, Raven Tools is an all-in-one SEO and marketing platform built for agencies, freelancers and digital marketers. It combines features like site audit, keyword rank tracking, backline analysis and competitors research into one dashboard. One of its biggest strengths is the customizable white label reporting, which make client report fast and professional. It also integrates with tools like Google Analytics, Google Ads, and social platform, making it easier to manage multiple campaigns in one place. However, the platform has a few downsides. The interface feels outdated, and some users can be overwhelming when managing many campaigns. Social media and PPC features are best compared to specialized tools, and you may need time to learn all the functions. Despite that, Raven Tools is what for small agencies or SEO professionals who want a cost-effective and time-saving reporting and SEO toolkit. Effective time-saving reporting and SEO toolkit. It's best suited for those focused more on reporting and data organization than deep technical analysis. And that's it. Hope you find the review help you. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.